Hello, my name is Keith Carpenter, aka
HighLevel King.
Self-proclaimed, of course. But for the past 2.5 years, my team and I have been quietly implementing the HighLevel software program in our own business as well as our clients' businesses. And we've been doing it at a high level. Before we got involved with HighLevel, we were your typical marketing agency, using 14 different software products, taping them all together to make our marketing systems work effectively. I actually made a video about this if you want to check it out. Now, in case you're wondering, I was never a ClickFunnels guy, although I have followed Russell Brunson for at least 10 years and have bought his books, his trainings, listened to his podcasts, watch his YouTube videos. And I have to admit, he's been a big part of our success. But right now, I want to tell you about the impact that HighLevel has had in our business. We built our agency into a 6-figure monthly agency within the first 3.5-4 years that we were in business. And that was before HighLevel even existed. But since we started using HighLevel August 2nd, 2020, we are about to cross 6 figures of additional monthly revenue. That is 100% directly attributable to the HighLevel software program. Granted, when we started using HighLevel, we had over 1,500 clients nationwide and in Canada. We managed their websites and their local search optimization, so we sort of had a nice pool of people who already know, like, and trust us. But we still had to figure out how to package HighLevel up into an offer to get the client to see the value in it beyond what we were asking them to pay per month for it. And that has taken some serious work. I truly thought that that would be easier, but it hasn't been. See, when I look at HighLevel with my experience using all of these online marketing tools that are out there, I see a glorious piece of software that has everything I've ever wanted under one roof. The business owner, on the other hand, they see HighLevel and they get a headache. I guess that depends on how you present it to them, right? But that's crazy, right? Because if they actually used HighLevel, it would take away so many headaches they have in their business every day. You know, over the years, I thought to myself so many times, I wish I didn't have to use all of these different software programs to get the job done. I just wish there was one system that had it all. Now, don't get me wrong, there were software programs out there, but number one, they were very expensive. And number two, those other companies didn't structure their model to allow me and our company to serve our agency clients and grow our top line revenue at the same time. But when HighLevel came around, we were not only able to implement an entire system for our agency inside this one software program, we were also able to build specific systems for specific niches that our clients were already in and serve them at the same time. And you know what's even better? Once that system is built, you can deploy it into a sub-account in HighLevel with one click of the mouse. From a fulfillment perspective, this is absolute gold. Why? Because it allows us to keep our prices competitive, which helps keep our churn rate in check. And it helps us to deploy complex and powerful systems into our clients' businesses extremely fast. And the way that we build our systems, the client literally has a handful of levers that they need to pull to keep their system running smoothly. So I just wanted to give you my backstory. I started my agency with a prepaid credit card. In fact, I still have it. It's actually in my car in the middle console, and I'll keep it forever. Now, the reason I got the prepaid card was for all my software subscriptions, pretty much. I didn't want those subscriptions tied to the bank account because a $19 software subscription was going to turn into a $35 bounce check fee pretty quickly. At that time, we had zero money and we were selling our hosting for $39 a month. So you can see the dilemma that I was in there, right? The point is, if I can build a thriving agency where we employ all 3 of my sons, 21, 20, and 19 years old, and I started with a Walgreens prepaid credit card, you can do it much faster and much easier, especially if you have the right software, HighLevel, and the right guidance. That's me. So that's it for this video. I'm going to pin it to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. We are gathering all of our tools and our infrastructure right now so we can help you reach the highest levels of success with the HighLevel software and with your agency, and in the fastest time possible. Now, if you're a small business owner and you don't have an agency, you don't work with clients at all, and you're not the do-it-yourself type, you like to have things done for you when it comes to this techie stuff, I would recommend checking out marketchief.io. That is the done-for-you brand where we implement everything for you and just give you a few levers to pull so you can make it all work. If you haven't signed up for a trial yet of HighLevel, click the link Down below in the description, you get a 14-day free trial. Then send an email to keith@speedmobi.com so I can add you to our affiliate list. This is where you're going to get access to the Zoom calls and all the freebies that are going to help you get the most out of the HighLevel experience. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and go check out some of my other videos while you're here. Talk with you soon, and take care.